If you've been feeling stuck in negative thinking or just a little off lately, this one's for you. I've got something brand new to share that I created straight from the heart to help you break free from the self-doubt spiral. And I have big news about the podcast too. Let's press reset together. Come on in. It's time to choose happy. Hi, I'm Marie, and this is Choose Happy with Marie, the podcast that helps you break free from negative thoughts and reconnect with what really lights you up. If you've done everything right, but you still feel stuck or off track, I want you to know you're not alone. Each week, I share mindset shifts, affirmations, and real-life reflections to help you come home to yourself and live a life that feels good to live. You're in the right place. Let's get started. Hello, how are you? Welcome back to Choose Happy with Marie, the podcast where we talk about mindset, emotional resilience, confidence, and building a life you actually enjoy living. And we do this by choosing to break free from negative thinking and using affirmations to help rewrite the negative thoughts. I am so glad you're here today because this episode is something that I've been holding close to my heart for a while now, and I finally get to share it with you. The idea came to me as I was sitting in a beautiful outside space at the hostel that I was staying at when I was visiting Rome, Italy in June with my son. When we first arrived and I saw the space, I immediately sensed that creativity lived there. You know those spaces where it just feels right? You can't pinpoint what that right is, but it just feels right. I knew at that moment that I wanted part of our time in Rome to be spent sitting at one of their bistro-style tables in the shade of trees and beautiful flowers. And I did. The outline for this free gift that I'm sharing with you was written actually at one of those tables in Italy. I hope it will be helpful to you in helping you break free from the negative thoughts that are standing in your way of living a happy life. So if you've been stuck in your head lately, this episode and gift will help you start to break free. Let me start with this. Have you ever had a day, or maybe a whole season, where you feel like you're just stuck in your own mind? You know what I mean? It's like that low hum of, why am I like this? And the constant comparison to what others are doing or not doing. The self-doubt, it just creeps in, even when things are technically fine. The spiral of overthinking, replaying conversations in our head, second-guessing our decisions, and wondering if we're enough. If that's you, or if that has been you recently, I want you to hear this. Stop comparing yourself to others. Let them live their life and you live yours. Comparison is negative thinking, and it feeds into self-doubt. Wondering if we're doing all the right things that society tells us that we're supposed to do. That inner voice of self-doubt, the one that says that we're not enough, or that we're behind in life, or that we're somehow messing everything up. Yeah, you know that voice? That voice can lie, and I want to help you quiet it. So, I created something just for you. Something that's been on my heart since sitting at the outdoor bistro table in Italy. It's called the Choose Happy, Break Free from Negative Thinking Reset. And it's a free 7-day guide designed to help you break free from negative thinking, rebuild your confidence, and reconnect with yourself. I created it because so many of you have told me, Marie, I want to feel better. I try the journaling, the affirmations, the mindset stuff, but nothing sticks. I feel like I'm drowning in my own thoughts, and I don't even know where to start. And I felt that, what was shared with me from these listeners, in my soul, because I've been there too. This isn't just another PDF with like cute quotes or vague advice. I want you to know this is real. These are the exact tools that I'm teaching in my coaching program, and I'm giving them to you in bite-sized, doable format that fits into your real everyday life. 5 minutes a day, that's it. Because I know you're busy. I know life feels full. But I also know that when we take even one small step each day towards shifting our mindset, we start to change the way we see ourselves. You can do each of the tasks first thing in the morning as you have your morning beverage. Let it start your day with positivity. What you'll get in the Reset PDF each day in the Reset gives you the following. It gives you a Choose Happy affirmation that has been designed to help you rewrite a negative thought. You'll also get a reflection prompt that gently brings you back to your self-worth, and a 5-minute mindset shift practice. And of course, if you've been around with me for a while, you'll know I love quotes. And so there will also be a quote every day to inspire and ground you for the day ahead. It's practical, it's powerful, and it's built for real women like you navigating real life. And the best part, it's totally free. You can download it right now and start your reset today. The link to it is in the show notes. Now, I mentioned that I have something really exciting to share, so here it is. You ready? Starting this month, Choose Happy with Marie is going weekly. I know. I used to go weekly and then it became too much for me, and then I pivoted to bi-weekly. And here I am in a different place in my life, and I'm hoping I can maintain the weekly schedule. I'm going to try my best. So every single week, I'll be showing up in your earbuds or in your car with real talk, mindset tools, little mini confidence boosts, and soul deep encouragement to help you step out of your head and back into your life. Many of you have been gently asking me to provide more content, and I've been doing this with the weekly email that I send out to Choose Happy members. Now I feel I'm in a better place, and I'm going to try to keep a weekly schedule. So if you've been wanting to hear more from me, I'll be there weekly. A boost of positivity every single week. Think of it as your weekly reset, a Choose Happy check-in. So here's what I want you to do right now. If you can, if you're not driving or walking, go download your free copy of the Choose Happy Break Free from Negative Thinking Reset. The link is in the show notes. I will also send it out to Choose Happy members in this week's email. If you have any difficulty downloading it, do send me an email. My email address is marie@choosehappywithmarie.com. Number 2, subscribe to the podcast if you haven't already, so you don't miss next week's episode. And number 3, if this episode spoke to your heart, I invite you to share it with a friend who perhaps has been feeling stuck in their life. Let's remind her she's not alone and she doesn't have to stay there. We do not have to stay in that mental fog. You don't have to keep believing every self-critical thought. You get to reset, you get to rebuild, and you get to choose happy. And I'm going to be here with you every step of the way. I am so grateful for you. Until next time, do download the PDF. Send me an email. Let me know how it works for you. I always welcome emails from my members. Keep choosing happy. And I'll see you next week for our weekly episode. Have a great week choosing happy. Cheers. Thanks for listening to Choose Happy with Marie. If today's episode spoke to you, I would love it if you could share it with a friend or leave a quick review for the show. It helps more women find this kind of support. Remember, you don't have to overhaul your life to start feeling better. You just have to choose happy right where you are, one choose happy choice at a time. I'll see you next time. Take care.